Hello, my name is Roger Coppa and I'm the Plymouth Fire Chief. This video is designed to meet the Minnesota State Fire Code requirements for unattended fueling sites. In the event of a fire, do not remove the nozzle and go immediately to the emergency fuel pump shutoff located on the wall of the building. Push the red button and then pull the blue fire alarm. This will stop the flow of fuel from the underground tanks and notify the fire department. There is an approved fire extinguisher mounted to the canopy post, but this extinguisher is only to be used once the fuel has been shut off and the fire department has been notified. Please be sure you are up on your required extinguisher training. In the event you inadvertently pull away and rip off a nozzle or hose, notify fleet personnel immediately. These pumps are set up to stop the flow of fuel in the event of this type or when the pump itself is moved from its base, such as a crash situation. If fuel continues to flow for some reason, immediately move to the building wall and activate the emergency fuel pump shutoff. It is important to obey the following rules when using our pumps at the Plymouth Public Works facility. No smoking. Stop motor. Do not dispense gasoline into unapproved containers. No filling of portable containers in or on a motor vehicle. Discharge your static electricity before fueling by touching a metal surface away from the nozzle. Do not re-enter your vehicle while gasoline is pumping. If a fire starts, do not remove the nozzle, but back away immediately.